your own trailer or sailoring.
Hi guys, it's me, Allie. Thank you for joining me again on Melanin Masterclass, where we refresh, renew, and reveal a beautiful new you for the life you love. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard a lot of buzz about the Trump era DEI policy shifts. And I just wanted to come on today's show to talk a little bit about what this means for us. And honestly, until this happened, I did not know or understand truly what DEI is. DEI or DEIA. And I'm sure many of you are still in the same boat as I am, so I found the perfect article that I'll read to you talking about DEI and what this Trump order key provisions are. Okay, so this executive order seeks to ending illegal discrimination and restoring merit-based opportunity. It is poised to further redefine inclusive hiring and promotion practices in the public and private sector, is how it reads. Here are some of the key provisions to this order. Ending all discriminatory and illegal preferences, mandates, policies, programs, activities, guidance, regulations, enforcement actions, consent orders and requirements for this program, requiring federal agencies to enforce civil rights laws and investigate illegal private sector DEI preferences, mandates, policies, programs, and activities, removing all references to DEI values and programs from federal acquisition, encouraging the private sector to align with the principles of individual acquisition, excellence, and hard work. Okay, the order also empowers federal agencies to scrutinize up to 9 high-profile organizations, including those that are publicly traded corporations, nonprofits with assets over 500 million, professionals and associations like the state bar or medical associations or organizations, higher educational institutions with endowments exceeding $1 billion. Okay, so this order signals a dramatic shift in the long-standing institutional DEI norms and initiatives that form the framework for many corporations. Now, what does this mean? Right? So Trump's administration's executive order means a lot, and it's going to and could interrupt the way organizations do business, especially ones that get federal funding. So his administration also directed that all federal DEI agents or staff be placed on paid leave and eventually laid off. That means many people are going to be losing their jobs. Let's see. And anyone who pretty much gets or accepts federal funding, universities, medical institutions, the state bar association, to a large extent, anyone that is caught condoning or upholding DEI practices, they have the right to investigate them and remove them from programs and activities that involve any kind of federal funding. So this is very important for you guys to know. I really did not understand the full gamut of what DEI or DEIA was all about, and I think it's very important for all of us to be informed and to know our rights, and as leaders try to figure out how we are going to shift the way we do business, shift the way we operate in the workforce, shift the way we work in the United States in light of these new policies and this new update. On this channel, I will help you to navigate some of these by using our personal development and our etiquette skills in order to continue to ensure that we are truly involved in the merit based leadership, merit based means of working, surviving, and we are going to do this in spite of DEIA. I don't think many of us needed it in the first place. I didn't even know it was a thing. I didn't truly understand the gamut of it. Now that people are talking about it, I did go ahead and dig deeper, but I realized that a lot of these policies and a lot of these programs truly just fostered inclusivity and ensure that all Americans were able to be a part of the pool. Now, for the people who are going to be losing their jobs because of this, who are probably DEI agents or DEI officers in their institutions, I'm hoping that they would just kind of be merged into the HR department or into the people department, or however organizations would like to, broaden the scope of DEIA without getting in trouble. I do feel like organizations should truly try to be inclusive and make people feel welcome. When employees feel a part of something, they tend to do better work. And I do think that fostering a sense of belonging in an institution and in an organization is still important, no matter what this says. Now, is it important for you to be able to survive if you are operating in a corporation that practice DEI policies and you're scared now that you might be at risk for not getting that promotion, for moving up the ladder, or even just keeping your job? Don't worry, because we are going to dive deeper each week into how you can continue to thrive in this Trump era DEIA non-policy, right? It is going away, but good news is you did not need it in the first place. If you follow a few simple rules to moving ahead and getting yourself established in the corporate world, you truly don't even need DEIA in order to move up that ladder, or even to simply keep your job in a competitive environment. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to talking with you a little bit more about DEIA, DEI, and how these policies and how what we know and how we learn and we grow can help us to not even fall in that pitfall where we need those policies in order to survive and to continue to grow as women. And this is particularly for women. Sorry, men. I know that some of you guys also need these policies or felt like you needed these policies, but especially women, we have so much that we need to do in our lives. We have to look out for the children, we have to take care of our husbands, some of us do work and truly enjoy working in a corporation, in an organization. Many of us do not own our own businesses, and we still want to rise ahead in a corporate or an organization's ladder. We want to truly just keep our jobs, right? And not feel like because we are either minority, disabled, or any of the above, we are not able to continue in this era. We can overcome it, and as I said before, many of us did not even need it if we work on our personal development and our etiquette skills, right? Having respect for ourselves and others, and showing that in a way that stands out. So we can do it, we will do it, and no matter what this policy says or doesn't say anymore, or what anybody thinks, we will survive. All right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I am back again. I'm sorry for the long hiatuses, but life is lifing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Walk good.